Now there's something that is happening in Nairobi, Maina. No one is taking note of this. While Nairobians are arguing, the Chinese are quietly taking positions. Umeona zile cranes ziko Kileleshwa na Lavington na huko kwenyu
na Kilimani.
Yaani mpaka sasa watu wanaanza kupigania jua, hauoni jua. Juu sasa mtu amejenga kigorofa huwa, kingine huwa. Wewe uko hapo chini wanakuchungulia pale chini na gorofa yako ni 5. Gorofa ni 5 yako pale unakaa, lakini sasa kuna jamaa amejenga hapa 25. Hawa watu hawaoni jua Kilimani.
It's what you call a concrete jungle. And because there are so many coming up, do you know in the next year and a half, you're going to be able to stay in Kilimani and pay 15,000 shillings rent? Because no one's staying in those apartments, because all those apartments are wash.
They want to know who's building these apartments.
It's money laundering. It is. That's the easiest way to launder money. Construction. And then own a really popular club. That's another way. Yeah, but it's all money. It's laundered money.
It's a lot of money.
That's building up all these apartments. Now, the thing is, there are too many. They are empty. So soon, the rents in Kilimani and Kileleshwa are going to go down to 10,000, 15,000 bob for a 3-bedroom.
You're doing it to a bubble.
Now, are they expanding the sewage? No.
Iko shida
mingi sana.
Houston,
when you go to Kilimani or Kileleshwa or Lavington and see those high-rise building, hiyo ni pesa ya wash. That's a laundered money.
Houston.
Then they get very prestigious real estate companies to sell apartments, and then no one is buying them.